Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a short demonstration, then explanation of a synth solo I did on a track I did some couple of months ago for my dear brother, my great friend, Mr. Israel TCOG. So the particular section of the song is a syncopation, and I decided to just bring out the colors more. So I decided to do a lead synth solo just to explain the syncopation that the band, great guys that played on the track, live did. So I'm going to be playing it out. But what I did was I had to bring up this lead synth solo volume a bit up so that you can hear very well. Then after which I'm going to explain the techniques which I use. If you're a guitar player, you're a bass player, you're a saxophone player, or any harmonic or melodic instrument that you play, you might decide to pick some of these things. It's not just restricted to just aux piano players alone. Without further ado, let me get into the track. So I'm going to be playing it from the beginning. So after which I'm going to explain. Thank you. So the name of the track is AWA YIN O. I'm going to post the link under this video so you can watch the full video and enjoy a very great song, spiritual song, very great sound. I did all the productions and I also did the keys and some couple of post-production things on the track. So thank you. So from the beginning, the syncopation part, then what I played. So I did. Possibly with a moderation way. Then the chord at that particular point is a passing chord to the 6. We're on the key of F. We military modulated the key of F sharp, but here we're still on the key of F. So we did a passing chord being built on C sharp, a diminished chord being built on C sharp to the 6, which is D of F. So C sharp diminished, C sharp, E, G, F sharp. So I did an arpeggio of the inversion of the chord. So solved it on the 1. So let's listen again. And that's that section. Let's continue. So another diminished scale at that point, but before we got there, we just did. Then I did what we call an half or diminished scale. So diminished are very great scale that you can study very well. They're called symmetrical scale. Study, then you understand what I mean. At this point, we have the 2 types of diminished scale. We have the half old and we have the whole half. But the one I decided to use there is the half old diminished scale. So half interval, whole interval. So from C, the chord at that particular point is a 251 at the key of F. That's C minor 7, then F dominant 7, back to the 4th, which is B flat. So So I decided to use the half-odd diminished scale. So what's an half-odd diminished scale? Is we started from C. Half interval is going to be C sharp. Odd interval is going to be D sharp. Half is going to be E. Odd is going to be F sharp. Half is going to be G. Odd is going to be A. Half is going to be A sharp. Then back to your C. So the E flat is also your D sharp. The B flat, depending, is also your F sharp, depending on what you call it. So you have, so I started to do a descending. So, but I didn't finish on the root. I decided to do what we call an enclosure. So if you studied jazz, studied bebop jazz most especially, then you understand what we mean by an enclosure. Enclosure is enclosing a note. So I'm to resolve on D because it's also the chord tone of B flat. You know, I spoke about 251 on the key of F, which is your what? C, F, then your B flat. So your B flat chord, if it's a major, it's going to be B flat, D, and F. So I decided to end on D. So I did an enclosure, enclosing the note. So enclosure. So, sorry, sub it down. Sorry again. Slowly. So let's listen with the music. And after that, I did the next chord is chord 4. Back to chord 1. Chord 2. Back to chord 1. Then I did what we call an outside flat 7 major, then a flat 6 major too. So I did an arpeggio of it, so not a direct arpeggio, but I just had to, you know, break the chord. 1, then the flat 7, flat 6, and back to the 1. But that one, the root is a 5 over a major. So if you understand chord very well, you will hear it, but it's still a 1 chord. So you do. Let's get it again. So we have what we call the perfect cadence in classical music. That's your 5 to 1. So that is the pivot chord which I use to modulate to the F sharp. So what I did was just to play what we call the Ionian scale in mode, or your dactylic scale, or what you know as your major scale. So but I'm starting from the third. So just to create a bit of a tension on that, on the modulation wheel. Another line there, it's 251 on F sharp too. So there's this common line, but if you don't know, let me break it down. You have so do di to re la so do do so si la ta da da. So I did that. So that's it. So I did an octave change then. After the Stress not. So that's all about the scale and everything I did. But solo, everything I did there. So let me play it one more time from the beginning. Thank you so much. So if there's anything you want to ask, possibly you didn't get a particular thing, please feel free to comment on the comment section and I'm going to respond to it. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to get, a lot of this kind of content from me. I'm going to be deconstructing what I think about my production. What do I think? How do I get them recorded? What are the things I think of when I'm working on a project, and some couple of things. So thank you. Peace. I'm out. Thank you.